Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. So today we're working on number 157. Let's just finish this row off here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need an 8. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so that's our 6. 1 here, so 9 and 1. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8 and 4. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. There's a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here and a 6 here, so the 6 has to be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 3. A 6 here, so this is our 4 and our 6. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, it looks like we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 and 4 here. So this is our 5. But no other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, looks like we're missing, oh, we've got this 5 here now. So that makes this our 3 and our 5. So then for this row, we're missing 2 and 8, and I don't see any help. 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 1, 4, and 5 here, so this is our 8. A 1 and 5 here, so this is our 4. That makes this our 1 and our 5. And this 1 makes this our 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 there and a 9 there, so this must be our 9. But no other help. So 2, 3. For this column, looks like we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 1, 2, 3. And a 2 here. So 1, 3, 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so 3, 8. 3, 4, and 8 here, so this is our 2. 3 and 4 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 3 and our 4. And then we can get rid of this 3 here. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. Got no help here. 1, 5, 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 and 4 here, and that 3 there, so this must be our 1. And we've got the 3 here again. So 2 and 4. But if we look here now, the only place our 4 can be is here for that row. And if we look here, this is the only place our 2 can be in that box. So that makes this 8. And 1, 5, 8. And we can get rid of this 1 here. For this column then, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. And we're just left with these that you can fill in whichever way you want. So if we make that a 2, this would be 3, 2, and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.